Touchscreen Android phone control RC car. Today is year 2015. Nowadays, the technologies of RC car, there are many ways to control the RC car without cable or wireless. We think about how to innovate a remote control car, or as we all know, RC car. Statement of the problem. Technologies today help solve problems we are encountering in our everyday lives. This gives the idea of developing or making a project to solve on how to drive easiest way by a touchscreen Android phone using radio frequency. This project can be applied in a real-life situation. Objective of the study: to develop how to control a remote control car or real car using a touchscreen Android phone. Specific objectives: to create a microcontroller circuit for the system, to create program for the system, to enable the connectivity of the prototype car transmitting using a radio frequency via Android, to enable the prototype to be controlled by using accelerometer. Background of the study: radio-controlled or RC car are battery and gas-powered model car or trucks that can be controlled from distance using a specialized transmitted or remote. The term RC has been used to mean both remote-controlled and radio-controlled, where remote-controlled includes that are connected to their controlled by wire, but common use of RC car today usually refer to a vehicle controlled by radio frequency.
Significance of the study. This prototype began success, it can be applied to real car, and it will be easy up the burden of the driver in driving a car while in traffic at the same time. Scope and limitation. The remote control car can be controlled as far as 35 meters away. If exceeds, it will lose control. Android phone is also open source, while the iPhone phone have operating system named iOS is closed source. Related literature. The history of RC car way back 1936, the Model Car Racing Association was formed in England and catered for rubber drive cars, as well as clockwork. It may well be worth pointing out that 4WD rubber band drive car could accelerate to 40 mph. In under 35 seconds, the car would be released and run in a straight line to the finish. In America, miniature petrol engines were being put into cars, but a greater need for control was required. Sycamore cable trucks were built, and by 1940 speed of 60 mph were being achieved. A desire to run races with multiple cars, coupled with the emergence of small engines of 1 to 2.5 cc. Technical design. First, the design floor test is to gather on how innovations that will add or contribute for the features of the car. Second, to review the principle behind the touchscreen Android phone controlled remote control car. Third, to design the installation of it. Fourth, to prove if this project can be applied in real cars, safe to use, and this driver can drive in easiest way. First, we need a regular remote-controlled car. RC car parts have motor, batteries, potentiometer, transmitter, relay, sensor, receiver, and resistor. When we disassemble a regular remote-controlled car, this list of fixing materials are need to assemble a touchscreen Android phone-controlled RC car.
Created using Powtoon.